In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Google Sheets file to a folder in Google Drive. Let's start by opening Google Drive in your web browser. Go to drive.google.com and, if prompted, sign in to the account where your file is stored. You can do this in any modern browser, and the interface will look familiar whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Chrome OS. Next, find the Google Sheets file you want to move. If you see it right on your main Drive page under My Drive or Recent, great. If not, use the search bar at the top and type part of the file name. You can also filter results by file type to narrow it down to spreadsheets. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct file, especially if you have similar names or multiple versions. Once you've located the file, right-click on it. If you're on a trackpad or a single-button mouse, you can use a secondary click or hold a modifier key to bring up the context menu. Alternatively, click the three vertical dots that appear next to the file name. Both actions lead to the same menu. From that menu, choose Move To. You'll recognize it by the folder icon. Selecting this opens a pop-up window that shows your folder structure in Drive. This is where you'll choose the destination for your file. In the Move To window, navigate through your folders to find the target location. Double-click a folder to open it. You can use the breadcrumb trail at the top of the window to step back if you go too deep, and the left-hand area may show you commonly used locations. Take a second to ensure you're in the exact folder you want. If it's a subfolder within another folder, keep drilling down until you're inside that final destination. When you're in the right spot, click Move Here. Drive may briefly show a confirmation message indicating the file has been moved. If you realize you picked the wrong folder, you can quickly move it again using the same steps, or click Undo in the confirmation toast if it's still visible. That's it. Your Google Sheets file now lives in the folder you selected. To verify, navigate to that folder and confirm you can see the file there. Moving a file doesn't change its contents, and if it stays within your Drive, collaborators will retain access as before. This simple move to action helps keep your Drive organized, so you can find what you need without digging around. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.